This is my 18th year with NAPA Auto Parts, and you never imagine that you're going to get to do something as special as celebrate your sponsor or your partner's 100 years in business. We knew we were going to get to do something special, but we had no idea it was going to be this cool car that you see here. It's pretty neat. I can tell you, all my NASCAR, World Outlaw, High Limit teammates, the chance that we knew that we were going to get to celebrate in some way the 100 years for Genuine Parts Company and NAPA Auto Parts was unbelievable. We got to debut the car, unveil it here in Charlotte at ZMAX, and I always feel like I should take this car and chop it up into 11,000 pieces, because you get all the NAPA people at headquarters, you get all the auto care people across the country that wake up in the morning and try to be as good as we try to be every day wearing this logo. It's a big moment for us. To go right down the track like we did, to qualify well and have such a great weekend. I couldn't have thought of a better place, a better time to debut such a cool car, and the fans have been unbelievable.